In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on a Ford Escape. It is located on the inside of the door. Your interior door handle has a cover behind your pull handle. You need to remove that. You can use a pick and then pry straight out. Behind that cover, there's a 7mm bolt. You need to remove that. Once you remove the bolt, you can take an interior trim tool, pry up on the bottom and out on the top. To disconnect your power door lock button, push straight down on this tab and pull straight up. To remove your cable from your bezel, pull up on this side, push this tab towards the back, then pull straight up. And out. We need to transfer our door lock switch over to the new handle. Doing that, you just push on the tab on the top and the bottom and push outwards. Now we have our new handle. To install our door lock switch, we just push from the outside in, wait for the click, and let's get ready to install it on the vehicle. Before you reinstall your cable to your handle, this ball on your cable needs to sit in this part of the handle. So you want to line that up and push straight down. You want to plug your door lock switch in, listen for the click, slide your door handle in towards the right first, and then push straight. Install your 7mm bolt. Now you can reinstall your cover by pulling the handle out, starting it in on the left top first, then push straight forward. Now close your door and make sure your handle works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.